Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make an HD glow video in CapCut. So first, import a 4K video to CapCut or a good quality video. Then just go to adjust and add these adjustments. So for the brightness, set it into a -10 and also the contrast. And set the saturation, skip that, go to sharpen and then add it into 30. Okay, and then add some vignette effect, only 5 like this, and then click on the filters and go to the light category and choose the salt filter. Where is it? Okay, this one, and then click on a check icon and make sure that the filters and adjustment is for the whole clips, and then go to video effects, click on the basic tab, then select the edge glow effect, adjust it to your liking. I'm going to go with 35. Then click on a check icon and then adjust the effect for all of the clips, and you are done for HD glow effect in your video in CapCut. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in the comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.